They're on my boat right
Yeah,
here.
with
The master.
yeah,
or
with
the
the
master,
with the
whatever you
two
want to call
raptors
it.
too.
Yeah.
So we can have some protection.
Oh shit!
Did someone fall?
One of them fell off.
Yeah. They have to stand
It's just
still.
gonna get up.
Oh, what?
One of them are like on the edge.
He glitched.
He's glitched.
Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to our first ARK Survival Evolved video. So yeah, today I have a friend with me.
Hello.
Hello. And yeah, if you wonder why we have a freaking huge mammoth here on the boat, the new update thingy, we're gonna build a house to our friends. So
they're on my boat right here.
With
the master.
Yeah,
or
with
the
the
master,
with the
whatever you
two
want to call
raptors
it.
too.
Yeah.
So we can have some protection.
Oh shit!
Did someone fall?
One of them fell off.
Yeah. They have to stand
It's just
still.
gonna get up.
Oh, what?
One of them are like on the edge.
He glitched.
He's glitched.
Yeah.
Whatever. Now he's gonna stay
Don't
right. Oh no!
Oh, what happened?
I think it's AFK too.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we're just gonna wait for him. Oh no, we're just gonna leave him. Or should we wait?
No, just leave him. But if he... But what if he unmutes in Skype?
Yeah, he will probably die.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move him. Oh, I can't move him. Never mind. Can you go? Can someone go in there and hit him, please? Hit him. So he like...
Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, go there. We're gonna wait here.
Okay.
Just hit. No. Alex, hit him. Just go there and hit him. Towards the beach.
Almost there.
Just hurry. Oh no. Oh no.
What happened?
They wrecked him.
What? Who? Oh no, it's a Dilo. Oh.
Our raptors got like mad and wrecked his face.
Oh. What?
Yeah.
I'm killing a Dilo.
Rest in peace.
Pieces.
Yeah, pieces. Or rest in a bag.
Yeah, rest in a bag.
Okay, I need to go tell Michael he should follow me so he doesn't like die. Because I don't want him to die. Because it's a good raptor.
Yeah, are we gonna... We're just gonna... When we build a house, we're just gonna do speed up so you don't have to, like, see the...
Yeah, I know you get up, Alex. I'm just gonna move it. Watch out for the gorilla. I don't think it's too friendly. Don't hit it.
I'm killing a freaking turtle. It's taking years.
Yeah, we're just gonna tell Alex to make him a bag. I'm gonna just kill this stupid gorilla trying to get on my boat.
Wait, is it?
Dude. Yeah, he is dead. My raptor stayed. This thing tried to get on my boat without a ticket, so I got pretty mad and killed him.
Oh, get over here now.
I'm trying to.
Oh, are you close? Oh, here's a trilobite.
Yeah, the trilobite over here too.
Can't shoot. I gotta use the mammoth.
So if you're new to the game and you don't know why we have a massive or huge mammoth on the boat, it's because it's a wood gatherer. So you don't have to do it with
hatchets.
I don't like hatchets.
No.
Hatchets are so...
Okay, I'm just gonna start gathering some wood. While you guys try to get over here.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Wait, what? It's a flying turtle. Oh, what?
Yeah, like my flying boat. The master was in the air.
It's a flying turtle. I'm not even joking. What is it?
Should they build on the island or?
I don't know. Oh, you know here? Maybe they can have a
what's
base.
that? Is that a jellyfish? No,
Jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
I hope they add jellyfish.
Oh, yeah, me too. Maybe it's already in the game.
No, I don't think.
It's
no.
like super dangerous.
No, I have never seen one.
Maybe we should go further away.
Oh no, I don't think so. We don't.
Yeah, I think someone will raid on that island too. Did you like?
Yeah, but Mammoth will probably don't make it because he will probably fall off and die.
The Mammoth?
Yeah.
No, he won't.
I think so.
I'm just gonna check if there's anything here. They should probably build right here.
Yeah.
Right here. Let me show you.
Oh yeah, deer.
Like
yeah.
here, yeah, look here.
Yeah.
Here's perfect. Look, you have like your own lake if you build here. You like it here, or should we keep going?
No, we can't keep going.
We can, except... No, we can't. Never mind. Do you want to build here? Just type in chat. Okay, here. To the right or to the left? On the island or...
They have a lot of stones on that island.
And where do you want to build? Island? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can swim over there. I'm gonna park the boats.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's super nice.
We need to make foundations too.
Yeah, I think I brought... Yeah, I brought two foundations and 4 ceilings.
Okay, are we gonna do speed up now?
Not yet.
No. Okay.
Bella and Michael over here.
Oh, I have some wood. 350.
Okay, then let's here. You need a base before you tame.
Yeah.
Look, here's so perfect over here.
Tame.
We just...
We can
destroyed
maybe tame some dilos later. Maybe.
Yeah, some dinos, they're fast.
Yeah. So
Michael is the good raptor. It's 2000 health, 400 stamina.
But this one is overpowered.
And 500 melee damage and 120 movement speed.
Yeah.
Bella is overpowered.
Yeah, she has over
Almost 4000 health, almost 600 stamina. And look at the melee damage, 825. That's pretty.
It's better than our T-Rexes.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna destroy it for you.
The rocks.
Yeah, this. Oh yeah.
Yeah, and this one too. No, this is a metal rock. I think. No, it's not. But it's... Yeah, it is.
There's no metal rocks over here. They're not
No, look.
rocks.
This looks like one. But it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna go. So the boats are really overpowered because you saw we just...
Yeah. But I think they're gonna fix the weight. Oh no, we can't clear
If
it.
you go to our base, you should... Not the big gate, the opposite way. Just follow the beach and you should see an island with weird rocks.
Yeah. Are we gonna start building now?
Soon.
What are we waiting for?
We still need stuff to build with.
Yeah, but we can speed up that.
If you want to.
Yeah.
Then do that if you want. I'm just waiting for you.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do some speed building now. I think you're gonna see the whole process when we build this house. Yeah.
Yeah, it is rocks. Really weird rocks. Rocks
Yeah,
on
but
top of rocks.
we're gonna show them all the dinosaurs when we're done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Maybe
yeah.
go tame a raptor or something.
Yeah, for them or something.
We got time.
Yeah. So yeah, we just do speed up now. at our base.
Hello.
Hello. And we're just gonna show the dinosaur and stuff. So this is our basic house. Oh, window. That's
Yeah.
good.
A rifle.
Smithy. Long
Look,
neck.
this chest. There's a rifle.
Yeah.
So it's
Some
not too good.
narcotic.
Yes,
So,
some narcotics.
a furnace.
Furnace.
And a cooking pot. Is that for kibble?
For, yeah, kibble.
Oh, yeah.
And
Reserving
this is a
being.
bookshelf.
Reserving being. We got a Rex egg. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
I took it. It got mad. I killed it with a raptor.
Yeah. And here's the mortar and pestle. I don't know if I have to show you
Some,
that.
some chests.
Yeah.
Shaded
let's
stuff
go.
there.
We go to the fabricator.
Yeah, let's go to the
electric room.
electric house, the super cool thing. So,
The fabricator?
this thing is cool.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I
it's
should turn it on. Oh, I'm
Why?
dehydrated.
My sound isn't working right now, but you guys can live with that.
Yeah, I think you can. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Look, it sounds so cool.
Yeah, but they can't hear though.
Oh yeah, well, it
Yeah,
sounds.
here's a generator that goes up.
Oh wait,
to-
if you light it, look at it. It's so cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's
here,
it.
yeah, and here's the fridge. It's unpowered
There's
right now.
no- Nothing.
Yeah,
Nothing
the
up
top
there.
floor we haven't done even anything. We can go to the
Storage.
upcoming storage room.
I kinda need to go drink, so I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, so here's the storage room gonna be, but like 3 stories up.
There's gonna be like 20 chests, big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can show them our dinosaurs. So here's our mammoth albino, pretty cool. He's a white. That's.
It
pretty
doesn't
cool.
have red eyes though. I don't think it has red eyes.
No, but
It's just white. It looks cool.
yeah, and here's Tiny, because he's so tiny, I guess.
Yeah, and it is so slow.
Yeah,
So I
and there's Sally.
thought I should call him
still.
Tiny.
And there's the Sarko.
Sally is super slow.
And here's
Look,
Yeah.
just look at the Sarko over here. Just come to me.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
oh my god, I haven't seen that. So,
Oh, now I'm starving. Great.
What? That's cool.
And here's
Version 2 of our bird.
Bird.
Because
you spelled it wrong.
yeah, I
shit.
know. It's
It is.
yeah. Here's Wallbuster. She is really cool. She has the fancy glasses on. And look at this. Look at this. When I right click,
And
it
here's
goes like
the-
in
It's cool.
maniac mode and it's gonna
Yeah.
bust walls and stuff.
That's why it's
So
called
that-
Wallbuster.
Yeah. This it got added yesterday, I think.
Yeah, the boats too. I don't
Yeah.
know if you can. We're gonna go check them out later.
Wait, huh?
Here's Brian. He's
Wait,
cool.
wait. Oh, it's
Yeah, just show the boats.
yeah, there's the boats, and it's
Wait,
yeah, I
look,
know.
look now how I'm gonna slaughter this thing and dodge. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, dodge. Yeah, good job.
Yeah. Oh wait, I'm gonna drag its body.
Oh. It's not gonna. Oh, in
I'm
the
gonna
water.
feed it to the sharks.
Okay, so here's Hobbs, level 71 T-Rex, and he has like 20 levels to go.
25.
Yeah, that's awesome. Because
is
yeah, look
fine.
at his stats, and
It's
there's
cool.
here's Brian, our first T-Rex.
Yeah, and here's Thomas. He's flying.
Yeah, and his arm is kinda weird.
Yeah, they're
Yes.
kind of small.
You know,
and here's
this,
all
you
of our
know,
Dilos.
you know that, Thomas, you know, in Jurassic Park 3, it was one of those in it.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
like
pretty
went to them and then ran away
cool. Yeah,
when they tried to eat the Spino.
yeah, I think. And here's
They
Ian, our
were just
scorpion.
looking for the phone. If you're wondering why we all have all of this Dilos, is for defense, because if you look at their stats, they're pretty good actually.
Yeah, look at this one. His name is Sherlock, and he has 1.7 health. That's awesome. Here's our scorpion. Pretty.
Oh, yeah.
He's pretty good, but yeah. Here's our raptors, my favorites.
Yeah, mine too.
And in the middle, my favorite is because look at these stats. And she's
Oh.
not even max level yet. So yeah, just the stats.
Soon level 140. This
I-
is our like kill machine, and Michael is a kill machine too.
And-
And this one, I don't know why it's called that. I'm gonna change the name.
To
Maggie.
okay.
That's the first thing I thought about. So
Yeah.
Maggie.
So yeah, that is.
That one is the fast one.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be the first one. It's not that fast yet, but it's kinda still fast.
I'm gonna lift you up and show the base.
Yeah, from above.
Tiger is my favorite because I just killed
A level 9.
level 96 male raptor.
Oh, that
I
is
did
awesome. And this bird is only like level 16.
Yeah, and we had a megalodon, but I like.
Yeah, it died. No,
No, I didn't die.
No, it's not.
just-
It's not that. It just swam.
It's,
Wait, wait. Yeah, I
swam.
got a good pop. Yeah.
It
So-
just got mad at something.
So,
Please something.
okay.
It's
me down.
weird.
Yeah. Good.
It killed me when I was off the megalodon trying to get some oil, and then the megalodon just
Ah.
went away trying
And,
to kill the.
and if
good
we
things.
ever find him, he's gonna be like max level now because he has
He's
survived.
killing everything.
Yeah, he has survived. I'm getting. I hope he's coming back someday.
Yeah, but I'm gonna.
You know,
take
when
one.
we're gonna have like a level 100 scorpion, you know, it's OP. You know the poison.
Yeah, but
it's-
just look at Wallbuster.
Yeah.
Look at his glasses.
Yeah, it's so fancy. He's one of my favorites, actually. And he has pretty good stats because we have only leveled him like 3 times.
And the raptors are by themselves because we want them to drop eggs,
Yeah.
but they're not dropping eggs.
No.
So
Oh.
it's not going good for Alex.
Yeah.
Oh
But
yeah, I picked up two dilo eggs.
are we
earlier.
gonna end the episode here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we'll go up. Yeah.
And then you need to go into first person, because it's cooler in first person. Or
Ah.
no, I'm in third person.
Yeah. I can stand here, and I'm gonna press K so I can see myself.
Wait, I'm trying to get up, but my dude is
Wait.
fat, kinda. I'm not gonna call him fat. 'Cause he's not fat.
Are you
It's just
upstairs?
Yeah, I'm on the top.
Wait, I'm coming.
Or same thing.
Oh, dude, you can't shoot him like I don't. Like here? This is good. No, why did you move? I'm smaller than you.
I'm big.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna stand like this.
Hmm.
So
I'm tiny. He's huge.
you can do the outro, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope
Yeah,
you
okay.
enjoyed. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you enjoyed. I want you to stay on the channel and subscribe and like the video and share it and comment.
If you liked it. Oh, that was.
Yeah, and
Oh my.
just press the like button because I'm so huge. That would be nice. And then we will see you in the next video.
Bye.